Welcome to the History series here. We bring the past to life one story at a time. Whether you're here to learn, relax, or drift off to sleep, our goal is simple: to guide you through the world's greatest empires, legends, and lost civilizations. Tonight, we begin our journey into one of the most influential civilizations in human history. Before we begin, it began as a humble village on the banks of the Tiber River, grew into a mighty republic, and transformed into an empire that ruled 3 continents. Its legacy still lives in our laws, languages, roads, religions, and dreams. The Roman Empire didn't just dominate lands, it shaped ideas. To understand Rome is to understand the foundations of the modern world. Episode 1: The Founding of Rome, a she-wolf, twin brothers, a humble river. In the hush of history, we return to where it all began. Close your eyes. Let the mists of myth and memory guide you into the heart of Rome's origin. After years of wandering, he reached Italy, where his descendants would one day found a city that would rule the world. A she-wolf discovered them, nurtured them, and kept them alive until a shepherd found and raised them. But fate had other plans. Before marble temples, before marching legions, there was a story. Long before emperors and conquests, before the Colosseum rose or the Senate debated, there was a legend. It begins with a Trojan prince named Aeneas, who fled the burning city of Troy. Generations passed, and then twin brothers were born. He ignored the Senate, oppressed the people, and let his family commit grave injustices. Romulus and Remus, sons of Mars, god of war. Abandoned as infants, they were cast into the river Tiber. When they came of age, they set out to build a new city. But disagreement turned to bloodshed. Romulus killed Remus and named the city after himself. Another, Servius, Tullius, organized Roman society and created the first census. Thus, Rome was born. The year was said to be 753 BCE. Now, 2 consuls would rule, elected by the people. A senate would advise. Laws would be written. Power would be shared, at least in theory. A line of 7 kings ruled Rome, each shaping its early identity. What followed was a kingdom not yet a republic, not yet an empire. If you re-enjoying the journey through Rome's legendary past, continue with episode 2, where the republic rises and reshapes the ancient world. Among them was Numa Pompilius, a peaceful king who established Rome's early religious traditions. But Rome's final king, Lucius Tarquinius, Superbus Tarquin, the proud, ruled with cruelty and arrogance. One act unspeakable and tragic sparked a revolution. A noblewoman named Lucretia, wronged by the king's son, took her own life. Her death became a rallying cry. The people rose. The monarchy fell. And in 509 BCE, Rome declared itself a republic. No more kings. It was not yet the empire. Not yet the Rome of Caesar and Augustus. But the spark had been lit. Rome had begun its journey from myth to might, and the world would never be the same. That brings us to the end of episode 1.